Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior.
The Maricara Modern project by Grayhaus involved a complete interior renovation and addition for a family of 4. Located in Portland's Arnold Creek neighborhood, the house is situated in a wooded area on a 2-acre plot. The clients, who both work at Nike and have roots in Oregon wine country, were excited about the home's proximity to downtown as well as their workplace. Originally constructed in 1947, the house had undergone multiple haphazard renovations that resulted in a lack of coherence and a disconnected feel. The primary objective was to establish a deliberate connection with the surrounding nature and increase natural light within the home. The clients desired a modern and welcoming space that would comfortably accommodate their extensive extended family gatherings. Grayhaus transformed the main floor by opening it up and installing a floating staircase. This created a circular flow throughout the space, centered around a large kitchen island that seamlessly extends the dining room and is perfect for hosting large gatherings. The design team achieved a perfect balance by using foundational materials such as blackened steel, French oak, smoked sawn oak, unlacquered brass, and natural linen. The furnishings chosen for the space are timeless and include classic Danish icons, custom pieces, and small items created by both local and international craftspeople. The family's personal touch is added through commissioned paintings from Hayden Rarick and Kit King. The carefully selected neutral and texture-rich palette creates a sense of harmony and calm, effortlessly connecting each room and allowing the beautiful natural surroundings to serve as a backdrop.